Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to set up your Xfinity Wi-Fi without using the Xfinity app, so you can get your internet running even if you don't have access to the app. Many people get stuck when they can't download the Xfinity app or their phone doesn't support it. Don't worry, you can still activate your Wi-Fi manually using a computer or browser. Step 1. Connect your equipment. Plug in your Xfinity modem or gateway. Connect the coaxial cable to the wall outlet and the power cable to an outlet. Wait until the lights on the modem turn solid. This can take a few minutes. Step 2. Connect to the Wi-Fi network. On your phone or computer, open your Wi-Fi settings. Connect to the default network name and password printed on the label at the bottom or side of your modem. Step 3. Activate your service manually. Open a browser and go to xfinity.com/activate. Sign in with your Xfinity account. Follow the on-screen steps to activate your internet service. Once done, your connection should restart automatically. Step 4. Change your Wi-Fi name and password, if optional. After activation, go to 10.0.0.1 in your browser. Log in using the default username, admin, and password. From there, you can rename your Wi-Fi network and set a custom password. Important notes. Keep your modem powered on during activation. If activation fails, restart the modem and try again. You can also activate your Xfinity Wi-Fi by calling Xfinity customer support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more Xfinity setup and troubleshooting guides.